Hello guys again. Today we have this little bit like a multi-tool. Well, this is a company Powertech SD/micro SD/USB Type-C USB 2/micro USB. Well, it says it says USB 2, but this is a blue one inside. I will show you. Here we have the slot for the micro SD. We have a slot for a SD card. This is a Type-C. The other way we have a USB 3, this is a blue, we will see what it is, and something else inside, I will show you. This is a micro USB, slide it, come on, pops up, here it is. You can connect it to your mobile phone and read your files from your mobile phone. Well, let's test it. I will connect a micro SD and connect it on my PC. Try to copy some files. Speed, yeah, just looking the speed. 12.5 megabits per second. Nice speed for Type-C. Very good. I will cancel it and then I will connect it on a USB 3.1. Here it is. And again, paste. See the speed. Well, the speed is the same, 12.4, 12.5. Nice, I think it's very good for that kind of multi-tool. I like it, very good. Yeah, I like it, definitely. You can handle it in your bag whenever you want it. I will connect it to my tablet. Well, here it is. Have some files inside. First of all, you need to take out the micro USB. Come on, here it is. We have external storage. Just open it. And here's all the files inside. Very nice. No problemo. And you want to mount it, just push that and it goes away. Well, that was nice. That was the review and testing of this Powertech multi-tool. Yeah, thank you again for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming, and share this video. You never know who may need it.